Some visits feel like business. This one feels like family. Eurotech CEO Joe Selway is here to see an old friend, Charlie King, owner of IDM and a Eurotech Gold customer for more than 2 decades. Welcome to IDM's new home, an energy-savvy, workflow-driven facility built with intention from the first sketch. In this building, fresh air enters pre-cooled through underground earth tubes, and at night, the building resets itself with a full purge. Even on scorching days, the shop stays comfortable, showing how climate control and efficiency can work hand in hand. Outside, a tracking solar array follows the sun throughout the day, generating significantly more power than a fixed system. Many days, it produces more energy than the shop consumes. This building reflects Charlie's entire playbook: engineering, entrepreneurship, and 100 thoughtful decisions that all add up to speed. Now, let's see what it was built for.